Hello children. Now in this video I will explain you properties of triangle. So first property is, which I have already explained you in my video, that the sum of three angles, the sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So whenever you find any triangle, I have explained you in my first video that the sum of all three angles, the angles inside the triangle are 3 and their sum will always be equal to 180 degree. So suppose this is a triangle and its vertices are A, B, C. Then we can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Or we can say that sum of the three angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degree. So here we have to find, or we have to check, this question I have taken from your book. Okay, I have to check whether 80 degree, 35 degree and 65 degree angles if we take, can we make a triangle? So for that we have to check that are the sum of these angles is equal to 180 degree. If we find that the sum of these three angles is equal to 180, then we can say yes, we can form a triangle using these three angles. Okay, so what do? We write sum of the angles is equal to 180 is required. Okay, so we will try to find the, so what we will do? We will try to find the sum of the angles. We will try to find the sum of the angles. So it is 80 degree plus 35 degree plus 65 degree. Then we will add. I am adding it directly here. You can add that on the rough column or somewhere else. So 5, 5, 10 and 0. It is 10. So 1 carry and 6, 1, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So sum is 180 degree. We have got the sum 180 degree. So what did we find? We found that sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. When it is 180 degree, we can say that it is a triangle. It is measurement of the angles of a triangle. So we can say that yes. And we can make a triangle. It is possible to make a triangle. Yes, it is possible to make a triangle using the above, using the given angles. Similarly, my next question is question B. It is 110 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree. Same thing I will do. I will try to find the sum of the angle. So see here, sum of the angles. What did we get? 110 degree plus 60 degree plus 30 degree. And when you add, you will get 200 degree. See, 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 10, 100, 100 plus 100, 200 degree. Can you say that you can form a triangle using 200 degree? No. Whenever you are making any triangle, howsoever big it is or smallest it is, its angles, means the sum of its angle will be always equal to 180 degree. So you will say no. It is not possible to make a triangle using the given angles. So this is first property and we have solved two questions. Next property is the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. What does it mean? So see the figure. Whenever you find any triangle, in any triangle, you can say that if you add the length of this side and this side, it must be greater than the length of third side. Got it? So suppose this is a triangle according to question. I have taken one question from your book only. Okay. So in this question, suppose I am making a triangle. You will not have to make any triangle, but suppose I am making a triangle here. So it is 2 centimeter, smallest one. Then this is biggest according to me. So I am making it 12 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So according to question or according to rule, I have to check that sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. So first take any two. So here we will check the sum. See here 10 plus 12. Generally if we add the greatest sides, then it will be greater than this smaller one. So but in this first question I am making you understand that we are adding all this. 10 plus 12. What did we get? 22 centimeter. This is greater than 2 centimeter. Second, we are taking these two. 12 plus 2. What did we get? 14 centimeter. This is also greater than 10 centimeter. Then third one, 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. What is this? 12. Now 12 centimeter sum of two sides is equal to the third side. Means we cannot make a triangle using these measurement. 2 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter triangle is not possible. We cannot make any triangle besides 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So we will say not possible. Using the given sides. No, even it is not possible to make triangle using the given sides. Now second question, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Now we have to check again. If we are adding 4 plus 5, we are getting 9. 9 is greater than 2. Yes, it is possible. If we are adding 5 plus 2, 7. Yes. 7 is greater than 4. Yes, it is possible. So we will try to check 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 is also 6. 6 is greater than 5. So yes, in all the conditions, just see 4 plus 5 I am doing. What did I get? 9. 9 is greater than 2. I can write centimeter also. 9 centimeter is greater than 2 centimeter. Now 5 plus 2 I am doing. 7 centimeter is greater than 4 centimeter. What is left here? 5, 2 I have done. Then 4 is left. So I will write 4 centimeter is greater than 7 centimeter is greater than 4 centimeter. Next is 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2 if I do, I get 6. 6 centimeter is greater than 5 centimeter. So in all the three additions, I have got that the sum of two sides is equal to in all the three additions, I have got that the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Means a triangle with measurement of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter is possible. So I will write yes, it is possible. Let me be here. Yes, it is possible to make a triangle of the given sides. So both the cases I have shown you. You have to add all the three measurements accordingly. Any two sides you take, then check the third side like this. But in shortcut, what do? We try to check the smallest two numbers. We add the smallest two sides. So here 10 plus 2 only we should do. addition and check. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So we can say, oh, it is equal to 12. So no, it is not possible. Similarly, in this question, in short, what can you do? You can add the smallest one. This is 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So you add these two, 4 plus 2. It is 6. So sum of the two sides is greater than the third side, means it is possible that we can make a triangle. So these three are not required. If you are very sharp, very intelligent, you can do only by adding the smallest two sides you have to choose. Got it? Next I will tell you how you will find the third angle if two angles are given.